Hey guys, Ethan here again with another packing video. Today we have Rebecca Comeaux's order. She requested her package be packed. Today's going to be a little bit different though because it's a 2-for-1 special. Reason why her order is going to be packed in 2 different boxes is because once the package's weight hits 50 pounds, the price to ship it pretty much doubles, and it's actually cheaper to ship it in 2 different boxes than 1. So that's what I'm going to be doing for y'all today. Make sure y'all check Rebecca Comeaux out. We're going to tag her down below, and hope y'all enjoy. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you again to Miss Becky for your order. Hope you enjoyed the video. We also left you a little present. We got 2 stickers in there just for you. Make sure y'all comment down below if y'all want to see anything of yours packed. If you have any questions, drop a comment, let us know. We're also going to be tagging her down in the comments again. Make sure y'all check her out, help support her. I'm sure she'd greatly appreciate that, and thank you guys again.